So in case no one has ever did some carburetor work, the main jets actually focus in. You can see the solder, already soldered them. Filled the hole in. Drilled them back out smaller. Got one pilot jet right here. Got two more in the hand. Open one end, then we'll drill a little bitty hole in them, make them smaller, and that's how you make your shit faster. You're gonna put the right jet in it. Look, this is the coolest little tool ever. Focus in, maybe, probably not. Smallest drill bit you could ever see. Still ain't gonna focus.